Welcome back for another XRP price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why XRP can give us a bit of a bounce in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, XRP is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. Today we have also seen a bit of a breakdown on the charts in what I'm still terming as a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4, in a move that has now fully maximized my minimum retracement area for the wave 4, highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the wave 4, and soon we can start gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 5, which is what we expect after seeing a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. And before I can give you minimum target areas for the wave 5, allow me to give you a recap of what I have here on the charts, where you can see that after seeing our December lows, we saw this bounce to the upside in what I'm terming as the formation of this wave 1, then a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, then we saw this massive pump to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, before we started our breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. And I'm expecting XRP to give us a reaction of the target area and start an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, and giving you minimum target areas for that wave 5 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $1.12407 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect XRP to do in the formation of that wave 5. And that means that the moment we see a reaction of the target area, there are high chances that we are going to see XRP get above the $1 mark. And before I can open a long trade here on the XRP chart, there are a few confirmations that I need to see, and this is not financial advice. So you need to do your own due diligence before you can open a trade on XRP. And here on the charts, I have a very nice trend line that you can see that we have continued to respect. And the moment we see a break above this ascending trend line, see a close, maybe a 4-hour close above it, there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up slowly, see a break above the significant high at around the $0.95 mark, and possibly get above the $1 mark, and also fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 5. And that is what I'm watching out here on the XRP chart on the short term. And if I jump to the daily chart to also give you my long-term analysis, still basing it on the Elliot wave structures, here on the daily chart you can see that after seeing these lows in 2020, we saw this massive bounce giving us a high at around the $1.98 mark, completing the formation of this wave 1. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, where we had been breaking down in this ABC corrective structure, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and soon we are going to start gearing up in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for the wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $3.24 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect XRP to do in the formation of that wave 3. And that is my long-term analysis, and that is what I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term. And that is all for this video, and I will be keeping you up to date.